next lesson we're going to talk about is isometric projection. Isometric is different than orthographic. Orthographic takes stuff and lays it all flat. Isometric does not do that same thing. We're actually kind of looking at the orthographic, the front, the right side, and the top, and we're going to fold them down and rotate it. Isometric comes from an axis that all are working on. And it's actually 120 degrees all the way around. This would be the cube that I'd have. And that's how you'd get a cube. What we're going to be starting out with is this point of any kind of drawing, and we're going to draw it in a cube form. So we're going to start out at this point of any kind of drawing. We're going to lightly sketch a line up, multiple line method, lightly sketch this angle back, lightly sketch this angle back. And that begins our front corner. When I do an isometric projection, I am always working off of rectangular objects that I know how to draw, and then I can come back and correct them. Start out with my front corner, like I said. I'm going to sketch a vertical line, line back, line back. I'm working on sketching my CO2 block, which comes up as an angled block such as this one, and we're going to be sketching this in 3 dimensions. So we're kind of rotating it at ourselves like that. First thing I do then is figure out the actual overall height of the block. I'm going to estimate it to be about here. Draw all these to come up. I'm going to use my pencil as kind of a guide mark. And then again I can connect the dots lightly, come back, and come back. That kind of gets an overall rectangle. Then what I'm going to do is figure out where I want the top, and I'm going to darken stuff in. Or this is the front, the little front area right here. Kind of getting that shape in. Now I'm going to connect these 2 lines. And there's my wedge-shaped block.